If you think the AI revolution is only happening in America, China, or Silicon Valley, I have a news for you. AI is already in your house, is in your phone, and is already in your bank. Also, it is also deciding the kind of content you will see today, including this very video. Today, I will show you 5 ways AI is affecting your daily life here in Nigeria. And you probably even didn't notice. AI is not something new. It is not something far away. It is something that has been there for a very long time, shaping our decisions and affecting our daily lives in ways we've never imagined. Today, I will show you 5 ways AI is affecting Nigerians in our daily lives and how we work and in the decisions that we make. Alright? So, guys, my name is Abdul Majid Haruna Said, but in short, you can refer to me as AI Buddy. I trained people on AI Buddy. I share helpful tips on AI so people can walk away with practical tips and knowledge on AI. So let's work together to gain AI literacy and also have a clear understanding of AI and how it is affecting our lives. Anytime YouTube suggests video, that's AI. And anytime Facebook shows you that post, that's AI in action. Are you watching TikTok and you begin to see more of those videos coming together for you? That's the, that's AI also. So all these platforms, all these social media platforms, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, they have an algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step process of learning how a user interact with a particular content. So you see, when those platforms notice that you spend so much time, you take so much time watching a particular video. Take for example, you take so much time watching a Korean film. Okay, so they will able to see that, okay, so you engage more with that content, you spend so much time with that content. Probably you might even like or comment on the video, telling the algorithm that yes, this person likes so video. So the platform will be like, let's push more of those platform, more of those videos to you. So that is AI working behind the scene, showing you all the videos that you might be interested in. That's how AI works. It works in social media platforms to bring out content that you will like. Once you engage in a particular platform, it will bring out more of those videos for you. So you see, AI has been affecting what we see online. The more we engage on a particular post, on a particular video, the more kind of posts that those social media platforms will be putting in our screen so that we can spend more time on their platform. That's engagement. That's AI for you. Now, moving on to the second one. You know, when you get message in your mobile application, something like suspicious login detected or high volume transaction detected in your OP, trying to confirm that you want to transfer such kind of amount, that's AI in action. That's AI working in your mobile application, financial mobile application. Banks like GTB, First Bank, Access Bank, and others are using AI to detect financial fraud. Okay, so this is how it works. There is AI in their platform. It notices your usual spending pattern. For example, I spend at least say 10,000 a day, and all of a sudden one day I had to transact more than 10,000. So I tried to transact 1 million or 500,000. That's a huge sum of money, which is not the usual transaction I normally make. So the bank, using their AI that's working behind the scene, will flag that transaction, and you will not be able to make that transaction until you go to the bank to make physical verification and all of that. That's AI in action. It will record your transaction patterns. And another way AI is working in the bank or is working in the financial sector is, take for example those loan apps that you are trying to get loan from. Have you ever wondered why it takes probably 3 minutes to process your loan and approve it or reject it? That's also AI in action because it sees your transaction history, it goes through your transaction record, your credit score, and then the AI now process your application to be able to determine whether you are worthy of giving a loan or not. So in the near future, as we are seeing it now, AI will have a very strong say in who gets a loan and who doesn't. And also, it will help a lot as it is already helping in the financial sector in trying to detect fraud, reduce fraud, and also in democratizing financial literacy. So you see, AI is already in our banks, it's already in our financial sector. You probably didn't notice that, but it is already there. Now, let's move on to the third AI way that is affecting our lives without us probably even noticing it. When you use Google to find the fastest route, or when Uber or Bolt try to calculate the price after a journey, that's AI. It's AI in the application that is trying to guess the distance of where you are and where you have gone to, and it will detect the price for you and tell you. Now, in a similar Nigerian context, let's take back to the era of when OP started their hailing business. You know, you just sit at home and then you order a bike to come and pick you up. That same process is AI because AI is already in the back end of the application trying to find you who is the person nearest to you. The bike man, it will try to find the person nearest to you. And also when it finds you when it locates that person, the person when you book that person, the person will use an AI within the platform to be able to find the fastest route to your location. And you see, that's how AI is affecting us. And also, after the journey, the AI will now calculate the price and then give it to you so the person can see it. So, in all of this stuff, AI is already in our Google Maps trying to help us find the fastest route to a destination, trying to help us with mobility issues and all of that stuff. So AI has affected us. OP has used it during their hailing business, and many other businesses, Uber, are using it. And other logistic companies are already finding new innovative ways to incorporate AI into their operation. So as I make this video, you can expect to see more of AI application in logistics. Now, next one, 4. This is getting very interesting. The most interesting part is in your smartphone, when you use your Face ID, you've used an AI. That's an AI incorporated into your phone to be able to detect your facial features, scan it, and then use it as a means to unlock your phone. One thing you'll agree with me is that all the phones, all the smartphones that are coming out now, the latest ones, have an AI incorporated in them. Face ID is part of it. It's an AI trying to scan your face to get your facial expression, your facial features, so that next time you want to unlock your phone, you can simply put it there. It already have your face scanned already. That's AI in action. And also, when you use Siri for iPhone users, that's AI. When for Android users you use Google Assistant, that's AI in the back end. And also, in whatever way you can think of, AI is now incorporated in our daily lives. It is incorporated in the hardware and also in the software of our devices. So, guys, there is nothing new, there is nothing magic about AI. We have been with AI for a very long time. It's just that the coming of ChatGPT makes it more accessible for non-technical users. But it has been there for a very long time. Smartphones, maps, social media has already been using AI for a very, very long time. Now, the last one. Have you ever wondered when you search for a product on an e-commerce platform, probably AliExpress, and all of those e-commerce platforms, when you spend time browsing, exploring a particular category of product, you tend to see this platform giving you more of those products. Have you ever noticed that? And also, you might be able to see that when you made a purchase on a particular e-commerce platform, those products will be pushed to you, and similar product will be pushed to your inbox or in your newsfeed so that you can see different prices, different designs and colors. That's AI. That purchase you made made the platform to understand that. The AI within the platform understand that, okay, so since this person bought this item, he might be interested in this. Why not give him this? You put a smartphone on an e-commerce platform. So the e-commerce platform might be like, okay, so you bought a phone. You might need a new charger, you might need a laptop, and all those similar products, it will keep pushing it to you. So AI in e-commerce is used to identify what you want to buy, when you are buying it, and how much you are willing to pay for a product. So a product can be sent to you to your inbox with reasonable prices. That's how it is. So in summary, all in all these platforms that I mentioned, five, works also in a similar way. Now take social media for example. You might be browsing social media, right? You're browsing social media, then you search the marketplace, Facebook marketplace, about an iPhone. It might surprise you that immediately you get to AliExpress, you see adverts, you see more devices, more iPhone devices being displayed on your screen. That's AI. They are working hand in hand. And also another similar example I'll give you is when you're browsing the Google Chrome, then you search for a new pair of shoes. Immediately after leaving Chrome browser, you get to Facebook or you get to any e-commerce platform. You see more advertisement on different pairs of shoes. That's AI working in Chrome and also working in AliExpress, the e-commerce platform, and in Facebook, trying to push to you what you search for and what they think you like. So guys, in another summary is that AI has already been in our devices. The AI in our devices are much because social media is in our device, there is AI within that, e-commerce is in our phone, and there is AI in that also, YouTube and all of that. So they work hand in hand. They know what you like more than what you even think you know. Yes, AI knows what more than what you think you know about yourself. So it's not magic, it's just pure data and patterns on what they notice about you. And as I'm rounding this up, if you want to see more videos explaining how AI affects Nigerians and how we can leverage AI to solve problems, our unique problems, then make sure you subscribe and like this video because I'll be making more videos explaining what AI is, how it affects our daily lives, and also how we can use it to solve our unique challenges. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.